Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making fluffy pancake for my kids. They just woke up and I want to make a couple pancakes for them. Here I have 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, mix in everything. Add in a piece of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon. Tastes really good with nutmeg. There we go. Looks nice, smells good too. And here I have 1 cup of flour. Mix in the dry ingredients. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Add in the dry ingredients to the batter. Smells so good. Nutmeg, the cardamom, and the cinnamon smells so good. I'll keep mixing this. Frying some eggs here too. I just put olive oil, 4 eggs, green onions, sazon, and black pepper. Tastes really good with sazon. Looks so nice. Butter looks so nice. So creamy. Oil in the pan here. Pancake looks so nice. Nice color. Egg is looking good too. So nice. Looking so nice. So fluffy. Anyways guys, pancake looking so nice, so fluffy. Kids already have it. They said it tastes good. Thanks again for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. See you in our next video. Bye bye.